and good morning. And today we have a Audi TT round. Some gentlemen tried to fit this Kenwood floating screen. It's a big screen, but it doesn't seem to work. We're going to pull it apart. We're going to take a look what he's done, try to get it going again, and make sure his steering controls work. Audi TT. Alright, I think if I hold it down, please key, that side. The antenna's stuck. There we go. Alright. What size is this? Kenwood DMX9720XDS. Pretty cool. And so it looks like he's run GPS antenna, he's run the microphone, he's even run the DAB antenna. He's cable tied it to these harnesses so they don't get pulled through, which is pretty good. These being the signal wires here. We're going to have a factory amplifier, that's going to be in that. This is your main power, CAN bus. Alright. Now we know it's just not wired, nothing's wired. That USB Kenwood harness. That's all the stuff. That's not for this particular car. That is. Don't need any of that. So it's just all this stuff. That. Okay, take it to the bench and we'll solder all this together. Get in the car. Plug it all in. Test it out before we slide the unit in. Got the main. Okay. So there we have the steering controls. They're hardwired to the main harness. Got the Kenwood RCAs, antenna, which is soldered in, USB, GPS microphone, and DAB over here. Beautiful. Plug it in and see if we can actually get some sound. That's horrible. Finish. Alright, plug everything in, then we'll slide the unit into place. Oh, one other thing I should check first. Steering controls. Beautiful. Track up. Track down. Yep, beautiful. Alright, plug in all the other stuff. We'll just power it down, plug in everything else. I'll run through some tests and then we should be good to go. Thanks for watching.